Well, hello, Beeger. We're gonna feed the chickens the leftover tomato skins. Move, Beej. Come on. See, look at them. They know something good's coming. There's Big Bertha and Dottie, and one of the red ones is Lucy, and the other one's Thumper. The only way you can tell is to pet him. Thumper thumps her foot. And there's Elvis and the two troubles. They're always in trouble. They're always doing stuff they're not supposed to be doing. We gave them an umbrella right over their swimming pool. Isn't that cool? There's Limpy and the brown ducks. Here we go. Oh, on top of you. Oh, they're gonna peck at those. Yummy, yummy. Cat's even gonna try to eat some. That's interesting. I think she's a little afraid of the chickens. All right, ladies. Have fun.